Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm here to plan out the last week of February, so February 24th through March 1st. Cannot believe it's already March. I remember saying all those things all over social media about how January took forever and it like dragged on, but I feel like February has flown by. So I'm going to use this winter themed kit from Krissyanne Designs. This is available in her shop. I'm pretty sure I ordered it on Black Friday. I really like the bright colors and I didn't want to wait till next winter to use it. And even though technically it's still winter in March, it's also my birthday month and I refuse to acknowledge that it's still winter. So this is really the last week that I can use it. I also grabbed some washi that matched because it didn't look like these strips that I had gotten would fit. Yeah, they're not gonna cover up the whole bottom. So I'm gonna have to use some washi there as well. But before I do that, because the way that I lay these strips, I think is gonna be decided by which columns I do with which color, I'm gonna base that on the workout stickers. The only day that I am not working out is Monday, or the only day that I'm not gonna put down a workout sticker. But let's be real, I will probably skip at least one of the other 6 stickers that I put down. So that means either Monday and Friday or Thursday has to be this light purple since there's only one of those workout stickers. Well, I was gonna try to match up the colors so that they're kind of on top of their respective, well, maybe I'll do it this way, actually. I was gonna say there's no really way to do that, but that's not true. So if I put this here, so then it's like light purple, teal, dark blue, and then I put, where did that other one go? This one going this way. Oh wait, no, that still doesn't work because then the light purple needs to be over here. And it's gonna be pink. Hold on. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make this work exactly. Like, there's just no way that the purple can fall on the day that I need it to and have this line up perfectly. So I'm just gonna do it like this. And then like this. And then we'll do pink, purple, pink, blue, teal, purple, pink, blue, teal. It's not gonna match up perfectly, but it's gonna be fine. All right, and then for the bottom, I grabbed this washi. I think that this color matches really well, but yeah, I think the pattern, it's too much pattern. So then one of these maybe thinner Simply Gildeds. There is space, but it would you know, end up going all the way to the bottom. Or I could do what I did last week and use the solid color and just kind of have it overlap. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I did last week with this one. What I can't decide, do I want to put it on the top or on the bottom? Because I kind of like how it turned out looking on the top, but at the same time, I like that the colors that I know will match kind of are on the bottom. No, I like how it looks on the top. Okay. I asked over on Instagram last week what you use your sidebar for because I have not been able to find a groove with my sidebar since moving into the Makse Life, although it's not really the Makse Life's fault. It's really the fact that I've been tracking habits in my daily petite planner, so I haven't felt the need to track my habits in my weekly planner. It also doesn't help that I have my planner set up on my desk where I can only see 1/2 of the week at any given time. There were a lot of great recommendations. Of course, now that I'm planning, I can't remember what they were and which one I want to implement. So I will go back and look through those comments again and decide something to do with my sidebar because I don't like leaving all that space blank. Now, let's start with the workout stickers. So like I said, Monday is the only day that I am not planning to work out, and that is because I have to get to work early for something. I have a presentation that I'm giving at 9 a.m. so I'd have to like get up super early, and I also want to like have, you know, plenty of time to look nice. It's just not gonna happen, and I don't want to feel rushed. So I decided that I would take Monday off and then put down stickers for the rest of the week. I also could try, I guess, doing it after work. When we first signed up, I thought, well, I could, if I did it after work, I would want to do it at one of the studios that is by the office, so I don't have time to come home and like talk myself out of it. I would just, you know, bring clothes with me to work and then change and go to the studio by the office, the workout studio. But I need my time next week, especially since I'm opting out of filming a video today because I don't feel like it. I'll talk about that when we get to the plans. So I am gonna go ahead and put a half box though on Monday morning. to mark that I'm going to work early. I like this one that says snow day, but I feel like that's almost jinxing it that tomorrow's gonna be a snow day. Also, it looks like the half box is a smidge bigger than these workout stickers. I don't know if I want it to stick out on the top or on the bottom. Yeah, I guess that's a little bit better. Okay, now let's do what we've been doing. We're starting with the full box stickers from the bottom. So it looks like there's only one teal. So this one has to be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I really like this one. I mean, I like the little bear too, but I really like the snowflakes on this one. I think it's really pretty. So I'm gonna use this blue one. And then I'm gonna have to use both pink ones. I'm gonna put this one over here, I think. Not really for any particular reason. This one here. And then I think I will do this purple one with this little fox. I might end up using this one to cover up over here so I can use the note section for something that's not tracking habits. I just stick these down for now and then I can always move them around later. We'll see. I also kind of like this one too. Seems a little bit silly just to put all these boxes over there, but these are also removable so I can move them later. While we're here, this is the only weekend sticker. I'm gonna put down that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I think that there is space to put half boxes all along here. Although I just realized there is not gonna be, I'm gonna have to use one of these other patterned ones for one of the days with pink. I think we'll do it on this side. And then I'll do the blue. I'll do this little mouse. I kind of wish there was a half box that was this like snowflake pattern. I guess I could do this one because it's kind of teal, but not totally teal. I'm trying not to have all of these be super matchy and then just the pink one is different. Are these like little ski poles? These are cute. All these little like decorations on this kit are super cute. Okay, and then we'll put this one here. Maybe we'll have a snow day Friday. We haven't had really any snow in New York this winter. We had one day, and it was last year. It was a Saturday. It's like the only day that we've really had snow this year in New York. Now let's start with the plans. So Monday, I'm gonna do a couple of things, and I'm out of pink half boxes, I realized, so that's not very good. I could just do a bunch of pink quarter boxes, although it's not gonna take up all of the space that I need it to take up. Well, I'm gonna use these for cooking so that they're all consistent. Okay, so I need to cook a HelloFresh meal, so that's the first thing I'm gonna do when I get home. And then I'm gonna edit this plan with me. And then I'm gonna do some wedding stuff on Monday. So maybe I'll just put some little decorative sticker here that's like a wedding something or other. Okay, and then Tuesday, same thing, I need to cook. Although I might do this in a different order, but it's okay. I kind of just want to get the stickers down, and then if it happens to happen in a different order, that's okay. And then I'm gonna film Tuesday because I'm supposed to film today, and I am really not in the mood. I'm supposed to film 3 videos besides the one that I'm filming, and I just don't want to. I'm not in the mood. So I'm gonna do that on Tuesday. Originally on Tuesday, what was slated was my online class, which I am gonna push to later in the week. That way I can get the videos done on Tuesday. All right, Wednesday I have Weight Watchers. And then I'm gonna edit all those videos from Tuesday and all those videos. At least 1 and maybe 2. And what was on Tuesday was working on my power sheets. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a sticker there. If editing takes me less time, I might still try and do that a little bit. but I also am gonna allow for some time on the weekend to work on that. Thursday, I'm gonna do the online class. Well, I need to cook a meal and then work on the online class. So I'm just moving it from Tuesday to Thursday. So I still should be able to make some progress on that this month. It's just, it's not going to be on the Tuesday, which is what I had originally slated. Let's see, is there a little like a laptop sticker? No, but look how cute this little washi is. Friday, it is my normal grocery shop meal plan, meal prep. So I'm just gonna put it all on this long sticker, or this one big full box sticker. Maybe I will use some of these. I like the grocery bag one better, actually. Saturday, the first thing I have in the morning, well, it's not in the morning, it starts at noon, is a baby shower, which I'm really excited. It's my first like baby shower that's my like good friend who lives in New York also. Some of my friends in Texas have had babies, but I haven't been able to go to the showers because they've all been in Texas, and I just will send a gift. But this is the first one that I'm going to here that is like my friend. So I'm excited, but it's kind of surreal at the same time. Then I'm gonna come home and work on my power sheets, and then I need to film. Let's see if I can fit all of this. I might, well, I might need this for Sunday actually, because there's no other full box. What did I use? I think I'm gonna switch out this half box because I don't want two of the leaf ones on the same day. Oh, there is another one of these full box snowflake ones. Okay, but I still am gonna need a half box at the end of the day. So I'm gonna move this leaf one over here. I'm not sure if the leaves are supposed to go at the top or at the bottom. I can't remember now. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here for filming. So finish my power sheets, film, and then I'm going to a Disney sing-along thing on Friday night. No, not Friday night, Saturday night. I went before last year with Kayla from Oh Hello when she was in town, and it was a blast. So I'm going again with a couple friends on Saturday night. So Sunday, the first sticker that I need is actually to like sleep in, because I'm not actually, like the Disney thing starts at 11 p.m. So I'm gonna put a sticker here that starts with, like, that just says sleep in. That's how I'm gonna start the day. And then I need to edit and prep the vlog. So we'll just put that on a half box. And then I need to clean. I'm gonna use this one because I really like this one. I need to do some meal prep. And then I probably could do one more thing, but I haven't figured out how my goals fall into March yet because I haven't done it yet. I haven't done my March planning. So I'm just gonna put this little half box here. This is probably gonna be for something else on Sunday related to my March goals, but I don't actually know what that's gonna be yet. This week already is looking pretty busy. Like all these, the box stickers have like extra stuff on them. So I don't know if I'm gonna add too much in terms of like extra stickers, because again, there's just a lot going on, but I am gonna add a few. I'm gonna start with a little baby sticker because I can. Look at all these little baby stickers. Oh. So exciting. Okay, so there's that one. And then I definitely want some sort of like little laptop there. But this purple is much lighter than these purples are. Okay, I'll just use this little gray one since I can't seem to find a purple that matches super well. And then the sleep in stickers should be in this binder as well. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the teal sleep in on Sunday. And then I'm trying to see if there's any of the film or edit stickers that I want to put down. There's just not a whole lot of space on these. Maybe here. Oh my gosh, this blue is like the perfect blue. Definitely using that. And then I'll put the 3 videos. I'm gonna film 3 videos on Saturday. All right, I think that's gonna be it for extra stickers. Again, this kit is from Krissyanne Designs, so I'm gonna use my favorite permanent pen, which is the Micro Perm 03, and fill everything in. Looking at this kit, I am so torn. On one hand, I really would like another snow and to actually feel like we live in the Northeast and have some sort of like winter vibes. But at the same time, I love spring and I am really excited for spring and for it to be lighter earlier and lighter later and for the weather to get warmer so I can enjoy being outside. I'm always in this weird place when we walk to the gym because it's like 4 blocks from our apartment and I'm like, do I put on a coat? Do I not put on a coat? Because I don't like putting the coat back on when I have to leave the gym, but at the same time, like it's almost too cold, especially at 6 in the morning to walk that far without a coat. So on that hand, I am more excited for spring. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling about the weather. Are you hoping for one last winter wonderland where you live, depending on where you live, or are you ready for it to warm up and ready for spring? I just realized I used this little half box with a mouse for Disney night. It's so perfect. Okay, the only thing I also realized is I didn't put a little wedding sticker, and then I saw this little pink bride Steve. It's a little bit weird to think of Steve as a bride because I think of Steve as a boy, but I guess this is Stevette. Stevette, the bride, can go right there with the wedding stuff. Otherwise, I think that's it. I think that my week is ready to go. Again, I need to go back and look at the comments and figure out what I want to do with the sidebar. I probably won't leave all these stickers here. I need at least one to cover up that. I should have let this go all the way to the edge. Well, I guess I could still do that. I could still move it around a little bit. Let's see. Let's see if that would cover up the whole habit section if I let this go all the way to the edge. I feel like I've done this in a plan with me before where I cut it and then I wished I hadn't. So I go back and like surgically put it back together and then put this here. Yeah, oh, there we go. And then I can put something here. Again, a lot of great ideas. The ones that I remember that are jumping out at me were like morning and evening routine. I had a lot of people say they put like quotes or song lyrics. There was one that was like memory keeping. A lot of people said they do like gratitude, which I love that idea, but I do have a gratitude journal, so I don't know that I really need that. But a lot of great ideas. I'm excited to go look at them again and then put something here. I think that's it though. That is gonna be the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. Do you know what I mean? Jelly bean. Alrighty. Some of these stickers are not straight. All right.